Oh my, what is this? This is terrible.
Good evening, madam. Is everything okay with your meal?
No, it is way too salty for me.
I am truly sorry. Let me check this for you.
I knew it. This place is getting worse.
Oh my, I am so sorry. The kitchen made a mistake.
This is not acceptable. I cannot eat this soup.
I understand. I will change it for you immediately.
It should be hot, but not salty. Understand?
Yes, madam. This new bowl will be free today.
Free? Well, that is a good start.
Here is your new chicken soup, hot and fresh.
Oh, wow. This is much better. Delicious.
I am so happy you like it, Mrs. Green.
Thank you, Peter. You are a nice young man.
Wait, I have a small surprise for you, madam.
Another surprise? What is it now?
A plate of fresh fruit on the house.
Oh my, for me? All these sweet strawberries?
Yes, it is a gift because we are sorry.
Oh, wow, that is very kind of you, Peter.
We always take good care of our guests.
I will tell all my friends about your service.
Thank you so much. Enjoy your dessert, madam.
Wow, Lily, you look so beautiful tonight.
Thank you, Tom. This place is amazing.
I'm glad you like it, baby.
The music is so romantic. Is that a violin?
Yes. Whew, where's the waiter?
Are you okay? Your hands are shaking.
Oh, it's nothing. I'm just a bit cold.
You are so funny. You're wearing a jacket.
Oh, look, here comes our dessert.
Wow, a chocolate cake, my favorite.
Yes, it's a special surprise cake for you.
You are so sweet, Tom. I love surprises.
Go ahead, take a big bite, Lily.
Okay, yum.
Wait, stop. Don't eat that yet.
Oh my, why? Is something wrong?
No, just look closely at the middle.
Wait, what is this shiny thing? Is this a ring? Oh my God.
Yes, Lily, it's a diamond ring.
Tom, I can't believe it. Is this real?
Lily, you are the love of my life.
Wow, you are making me cry.
Will you marry me? I want to be with you forever.
Oh, Tom, yes, 1,000 times yes.
I am the luckiest man in the world.
I love you so much. The ring is beautiful.
Whew, I'm happy you didn't eat it.
Now can I finally eat the cake?
Of course. Let's pour some drink, too, to our future together.
Oh, finally. I have a meeting in 20 minutes.
Thank you for your patience. Here is your lunch, madam. Enjoy your meal.
Wait a second. Oh no, what is this?
It's a garden salad, just like you wanted.
But look, there's chicken on top.
Oh? What is wrong with that?
I am a vegetarian. I don't eat meat.
Oh no, I am so sorry, madam.
I really don't have much time. Please hurry.
Let me check the receipt. Oh, I see now.
What happened? Did the kitchen make a mistake?
No, it was me. This is for table 5.
And what table is this?
This is table 2. Oh, I feel so stupid.
Are you a new guy? I've never seen you.
Yes, this is my first day at work.
Oh, I see. It's okay, Kevin. Everyone makes mistakes.
I will run to the kitchen right now.
Thank you. No meat this time, please.
Here it is, a fresh salad with no chicken.
Perfect. This looks very fresh and green.
I also brought you some orange juice.
Oh, I didn't order juice.
It is a gift to say I'm sorry.
That is very sweet of you, Kevin.
I hope you enjoy your lunch, madam.
Don't worry, boy. You are doing a good job.
Oh my goodness, Robert? Is that really you?
Bobby, wow, I can't believe it.
It's been 20 years. Time flies so fast.
You look great. A little more gray hair now.
And you look like a successful man.
Well, I try my best.
Look at this place. I know, the same tables and the same smell.
It feels like we are students again.
Do you remember our favorite dish here?
Of course, the chicken soup. We shared one bowl.
Because we were so poor back then.
Yes, 2 big bowls of soup today, please. We're rich now. So,
How is your life?
I am a travel blogger. I go everywhere.
That's wonderful. I have a shop and 3 kids.
3 kids. Oh my, you are a busy man.
Wow, the soup has arrived. Look, it smells exactly like the old days.
I remember we only had $5 a week.
We always asked for extra bread because it was free. We were so poor but so happy, my friend. Why did we stop calling each other, Robert?
Life just happened, but I missed you, buddy.
Me too. Give me your phone number right now. Robert, look at the menu. Do you see that? The fried chicken platter? We never had enough money for it.
We said one day we will order the whole chicken.
You're right. That day is today.
Waiter, bring us the biggest chicken platter you have.
To old friends and new memories.
Cheers, Bobby.
Wow, this place is so colorful.
I'm glad you like it. Ready to order?
Yes, I want the most famous dish here.
That would be our fire noodles, but be careful.
Why? Is it very spicy?
It is super, super hot. I don't recommend it.
Haha, don't worry, Maria. I love spicy food.
Are you sure? Many people cry when they eat this.
Miss, I am a professional traveler. Give me the extra spicy level.
Okay, Ken, you are very brave. Here it is.
Oh my, look at that red color.
Please take it slow. Here's some water.
Thanks, but I don't need it. Watch this. The taste is, wait. Oh no.
Your face is turning very red.
Oh my God. It's hot. It's so hot.
I told you. Drink some water, Ken.
Oh no, water is not enough. My tongue is on fire.
Here, drink this cold milk. It will stop the burning.
Oh, much better. Thank you.
Ha! You look like a tomato, Ken.
Wow, I thought I was a spicy expert.
You are very funny. Now, do you want some bread to eat with the milk too?
Yes, please. Bread and more milk.
No more chili for today?
No more chili. You are a lifesaver, Maria.
Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more useful English lessons. Now, we have a fun homework for you. Please comment below and tell us, what is your favorite food? Have a nice day, and we'll see you in the next video.